This thing right here, this thing is a freaking beast. This power bank is the ultimate power bank ever. Not only because it's solar, it has a solar panel right here, so it charges outside with the UV light, so you can take it with you camping, outdoors, doing whatever you want, but also because this thing packs 36,000 milliampere battery. So this is insane. It also comes with 15 watts power for actually fast charge capabilities. Right here, you're gonna find a USB port, like a regular USB port, a Type-C USB port, and a mini USB port right here. So these are 3 different external ports that you're gonna have. But also, and I think this is insane, that right here, you're gonna find a USB cable, just a regular USB cable, as you're gonna see right here, that these are not super easy to take out. So all 4 here, all 4 out. USB port, regular USB port, mini USB port right here, USB-C port, and for sure the lightning bolt. So you can actually use all this at once if you want, just like everything at the same time, or just separate for sure. Also, it comes with this magnet right here, this ring. You can actually put your phone, if it has magnet capabilities, like wireless charging capabilities, and you can charge your phone over here, which I think is insane. And right here, last but not least, if you're outside and had an emergency or something like that, it has a flashlight. And if you're into content creation, you can actually charge all your devices on the go. As you can see right here, you can charge your cameras, your microphones, everything, your phone, everything on the go. 36,000 milliamperes, 15 watts of power, solar panel, all these cables right here for different ports, different devices, the wireless magnet right here for wireless charging of your phone, and the 3 different ports right here, plus the flashlight for emergencies. This thing is a freaking beast. I love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.